Hello, I am Nicolay Disoyo. I'm here to discuss the the business model of inventory system. Customer segments in the business model of an inventory system, identifying and understanding your customer segments is crucial for efficiency, targeting your offering and marketing efforts. Here are some common customer segments for an inventory system. And first, small businesses like mga gagmay na mga na mga businesses kanang bago pa nagsugod. Second, and mid-size businesses, muna sila mga wholesalers, regional distributors, production companies with moderate inventory needs. Mga medyo dako-dako na sila. Then second is large enterprises, and there are some chain stores, franchises, multinational corporation, large manufacturers and warehouse. Mo na silang mga dagko na ng mga kumpanya na mga warehouse. And second, yun yung mga e-commerce, mo na sila sa internet. Mo na sila itong mga ginatarget sa mga ads, mga dropshipping businesses. And lastly, and industry specific businesses, ano sila mga healthcare organization, hospital, clinics, pharmacies, anong pod like automotive dealership and manufacturers, kanang pod food and beverages distributors. Second, customer relationship. Customer relationship are critical aspect of any business model, including of an inventory system provider. Building and maintaining strong customer relationship can lead to customer retention, loyalty, and positive word of mouth referrals. Here are some key considerations of managing customer relationship in the context of an inventory system. First, customer support. Which is pwede mo sila makontak via phone, email, chat, or help desk. Muna sila magkuhan una kay problem sa app, pwede nimo sila ikuan mangayo kag help sa ila. And secondly, channels, direct sales, mobile apps, online sales, social media. And direct sales, pwede like mag-meet up mo sa customer para ibaligyan nimo ang app nimo. And mobile apps, mo ni siyang kuan bali nanay apps sa mobile para ma-access po nilang ilang app na gipalit. And online sales, pwede nimo siya i-post through online para makita nila your sa imong app dito sa online para mabaligya. In online social media, ang gamit sa social media is pwede nimo i-market ang imong application through social media. Nata sa value proposition, real-time inventory tracking, order management, fulfillment, enhanced decision making, and user-friendly interface, customer support and training. Kaning real-time inventory tracking is na siya ability na to monitor the levels of levels in a real time, providing accurate and up-to-date information stock sa ilang stock quantities, location and movements. Matrack nila ang dito ang mga unsay dagan sa system, sa ang ilang pila na lang ang inventory, matrack nila inventory and order management fulfillment, which is enable efficient order processing and fulfillment by ensuring products are ready available when customer needed. Pasabot ana is ready to pack na ang mga item, pwede na siya mahatag sa customer dayon. Enhancing decision making, provide value data analytics and reporting tools that allow customer to make decision about procurement, sales and inventory optimization. And lastly, user interface friendly, and which is dali ra kay siya masabtan sa normal na tao, dali ra siya user friendly kay siya. And lastly, customer support and training, which is provide excellent customer support including training and onboard assistance for technical issues, which is mag-conduct kag training sa imong pwede ka mag-conduct og training para mahasa sila sa sa application, dili kay sila para di kayo libog. Sa key resources, software development team and technical support team. Ang software development team mo ni sila ang mag-develop sa application, and technical support team mo ni sila mostly parehara man sila, pero mas sila ga maintenance sila sa sa application para wala siya bug kayo or user friendly kay siya. Kanang for example, kanang customer magreklamo unsa ni kanang mag-suggest sila, ang software development mo na sila mag-apply sa mga suggestions, and technical support team na silang kanang may mga bug, may problema sa application, na sila mag problem solving. Sa key activities, software development and maintenance, na silang mga developer na mag-design, mag-develop sa application, and maintain sa inventory management software. Gina-ensure nila na ma-meet nila tong mga suggestions sa customer gali, o gina-up to date nila ang application. Sa key partners, hardware and software providers for integration, resellers and distributors, data security and compliance partners, and kaning siya hardware, software, and muna sila mga partner with hardware manufacturers and software developers for compatibility and integration with their products. For example, partners ni sila with barcode scanner manufacturer or server infrastructure sa application na inyong gibaligya. And kaning andayon, integration partners, silang work with companies that provide integration services, ensuring your inventory system can seamlessly connect with other software systems such as point of sale, e-commerce platforms, enterprise resources, and resellers and distributors. Mo na sila mag-market sa imong application, i-market nila, tapos i-distribute nila ang imong application through customers and data security and compliance partners. Partner mo na silang partner with cybersecurity firms and compliance expert to ensure that your inventory system to relevant data security standards and industry specific regulation. Mo na sila mga ma-regulate nila sa mga imong customer ang ilang mga ilang data security ma-ensure gid na dili mali sa cost structures. Mo na sila ang employee salaries and benefits, customer support and training expenses, development and maintenance cost, marketing and sales expenses. Ang employee salaries and benefits mo na silang mga itong mag-market sa imong application, kailangan magbayaran nimo sila sa ilang sahod. And customer support and training expenses, need katong mga employee po di man na customer support o mag-training man gid sila na mga expenses gihapon ana. And development and maintenance cost sa pagbuhat sa application na may gastos gid, tapos maintenance minimum ra na siya minimum na maintenance cost, so magasto gihapon. And marketing, sales and expenses, mo na siya ang magasto gyapon kay market pa nimo siya which is online, gasto makag-ads. Sa revenue streams, hindi rin na ka makakwarta once mo palit ang customer sa imong application, may revenue naman to kung kibali na inyong once mo palit ang customer sa inyo, so mahulog na siya revenue sa inyong company sa imong application naghihimo once mapalit na nila.